I want to talk about the somatic narcissists for a moment. These are those that are driven by sexual conquests and they operate with a very strong spirit of seduction. So, what you find is that they do a lot of this hot and cold treatment, hot and cold affections towards you. One minute they can't keep their hands off of you, the next they want nothing to do with you. And this is when you know that they are cheating because they are driven by sex, pathological cheaters. Okay, obsessive, compulsive cheaters. Those are your somatic narcissists. But with this hot and cold treatment that they give you, now I want you, now I don't, it's a form of indoctrination, grooming, as well as devaluing you. And they cause this hunger in you for affection because when they give it, they give it. But when they pull away, it leaves you feeling empty and wanting and in lack while they parade themselves, scantily clad, but not giving you that, while they start to initiate but pull back, all in a way